In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a repeater on Wix Studio. It's a straightforward process, but we'll take it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the plus sign at the top left corner of your Wix Studio workspace. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new elements, so it's an important tool to familiarize yourself with. Once you find it, go ahead and give it a click. Now that you've opened up the options for adding new elements, you'll notice an option labeled Quick Add. This feature is designed to expedite your design process by offering you an array of common elements to insert with ease. Click on Quick Add to unfold its menu of possibilities. Within this menu, you'll find a choice called Repeater. Now, you might be wondering what exactly a repeater is. Simply put, a repeater allows you to create a layout that can display a collection of items uniformly. This is incredibly useful for showcasing things like team members, product listings, or testimonials. Click on the Repeater option, and Wix will add it to your page instantly. Once the repeater is added, now comes the fun part: customization. You have the creative freedom to edit your repeater to match your specific needs and aesthetic desires. For instance, you can adjust the number of items displayed within your repeater. Maybe you're starting a small portfolio and only need 3 items, or perhaps you have a vast catalog that calls for more. That choice is entirely up to you. Furthermore, you can dive into styling. Wix provides you with a robust set of design tools to adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to your heart's content. Consider playing around with these tools to create something that truly reflects your brand's identity. Another tip: pay attention to the mobile view as well. Wix allows you to preview how your repeater will look across different devices. This ensures that whether someone is visiting your site on a desktop or a smartphone, their experience remains seamless and visually appealing. And just like that, you've successfully added and customized a repeater on Wix Studio. It really is that simple. Remember, the repeater is a versatile tool that, once mastered, can greatly enhance the way you present information on your website. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to add repeaters with confidence to your Wix site. Happy designing, and until next time, keep creating wonderful things.